Sweating has multiple health benefits and is a completely natural phenomenon. However, letting it stay on your skin for long periods can lead to rashes, itching, and odor. So we've come to your rescue with incredible home remedies to sweat-proof yourself so you can look and feel fresh as a daisy. If you want more tips on how to stay sweat-free, type sweat in the comments below and we'll send you a link to our exclusive guide with some more information. When there is prolonged friction between two areas of your skin that touch regularly, like your thighs and arms, it can cause great discomfort, and when combined with moisture like sweat, it transcends into painful rashes. To reduce the moisture in these areas, baby powder is a quick yet effective fix. It absorbs the excess sweat which these regions are prone to and keep it dry, reducing the excessive friction. Another easy way to keep this chafing at bay is to apply a non-greasy formula like a gel-based moisturizer or aloe vera gel that will keep your skin smooth and reduce any friction. Apply a good amount of this on areas prone to chafing and you're good to go. One of the most annoying side effects during humidity for us women is sweat under our breasts, which leads to itching and inflammation. Instead of being embarrassed or shying away, here are the easiest remedies that will keep this at bay. You can easily create a sweat-absorbing barrier using panty liners. It helps in absorbing the excess dampness from your breasts, keeping them dry, sweat, and irritation-free. Cornstarch is another easily available remedy that will help you combat excessive sweat. It can even be used to relieve itchiness by drying out the rash. Mix some water to about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to get a water-like frequency and apply it to the affected areas. An old pilling bra can lead to rashes as well. An easy way to deal with this is to shave off the pilling strands with a razor in a gentle downward motion to avoid any tears. And just like that, you're rash-free. The high content of moisture in the air gets absorbed by the pores on our head, resulting in a sticky, greasy scalp. As surprising as it sounds, oiling comes to your rescue. Opt for cooling oils such as coconut, lemongrass, and tea tree oil as they have antibacterial properties and work as a deodorant to reduce excess sweat and stickiness. Since one also ends up washing their hair more often, the strands are left dehydrated and dry. Regular oiling adds moisture, replenishes lost nutrients, keeping your hair hydrated and healthy. The key to a sweat-free body outside is a cool body inside. Indulging in heavy, spicy food when it is already hot and humid outside will only make your body more sweaty and sticky. Go for some ice over spice to keep your body fresh, hydrated, and cool. Sweating might not be in our control, but feeling clean and fresh is. Let us know in the comments below which of these antiperspirant home remedies you will be trying. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.